wondered where your eraser comes from? It is made from something amazing called rubber. Rubber comes from special rubber trees that grow in warm tropical forests. Hi, kids. I am in Rubber Tree Forest. Rubber comes from special rubber trees that grow in warm tropical forests. The tree gives a white, milky liquid called latex. Farmers carefully collect it without hurting the tree.
See how the sap flows from the cut?
Wow, it's so white.
It will fill this cup.
That's amazing. The latex is cleaned and changed into strong rubber in a factory. Rubber is used to make erasers, car tires, balloons, rain boots, gloves, rubber bands, balls, shoe soles, and many other useful things.
Rubber trees first grew naturally in the Amazon rainforest of South America.
Today, most natural rubber is grown on large plantations in warm tropical countries across Asia. Rubber trees love warm weather, sunshine, and lots of rain. That is why they grow well in tropical forests.